I'm going to start this problem by multiplying negative 3/4 times 2x, this is doing the distributive property, negative 3/4 times 2x, and negative 3/4 times negative 3. So I'm going to rewrite the problem down below. We have negative 3/4 times 2x. Now I'm going to put that over 1. And when you multiply that, it's negative 3 times 2 is negative 6x over 4, which we can reduce down to negative 3 over 2. And I'll put the x off to the side. And then you also have negative 3 over 4 times negative 3, which I'll put over 1. And you end up with a positive 9 over 4. So these are the two things that we're going to add to what remains of the original expression. So let's move this down so we have some space to rewrite what we have up top. And we have 10x minus 4 minus 7 over 2x. And then from down below we have a negative 3 over 2x and then a plus 9 over 4. So let me move this out of the way. We're going to resize this and we're going to move our work out of the way. Off to the side. Just one second. Let me get to my work. There we go. Work is off to the side. And we'll come back to what we have originally here. Now we're going to combine like terms. So we have a 10x and a negative 7 over 2x and a negative 3 over 2x. So I will rewrite these down below as 10x minus 7 over 2x minus 3 over 2x. Now we need a common denominator, which appears it's going to be 2. So these both have 2's already, so I'm going to multiply this fraction by 2. And I'm going to scroll down to give myself a little bit more room here. And I'm going to rewrite this as 20 over 2x minus 7 over 2x minus 3 over 2x. Now if I put together the 20 over 2 minus 7 over 2, that will give me 13 over 2x minus 3 over 2x. And then if I combine those two together, I end up with 10 over 2x, which does also equal 5x. So that is the thing that we're going to include below our expression above. So now we're going to resize this so I can move my work off to the side. Slide this over and we're going to put the 5x back where we have the original expression. So we have 5x, oh, wrong color. How about we try black on that? So 5x. And then we also have a couple of things that you need to combine above. We have the negative 4 and the positive 9 over 4. So let's add that in down below. So we're going to have negative 4 plus 9 over 4. So what we need here is we need a common denominator. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put that over 1. Looks like our common denominator will be 4, so I'll multiply the bottom by 4 and the top by 4, which gives us negative 16 over 4 plus 9 over 4. Negative 16 plus 9 gives you negative 7 over 4. So that is the other thing that we are going to add up above. So let me resize this again, and we'll move our last work off to the side. And I will include our negative 7 over 4. Let's get this back to the right size. Include our negative 7 over 4 as the end of our answer. And that is your final answer right there, 5x minus 7 over 4.